Hello, welcome. In today's video I want to talk about these 2015 through 2024 door mats. This is the front one and here's the rear one, the pins so it locks it in place. Okay, so this is simple to do. Just remove these caps, and to install this it's very simple. Just put it under there, and what we're going to want to do with this one, you're going to put this back on just like so, and there you go. It locks it in place. So you'll need to use these caps again because it has this in here that locks those pins in place. So you put them in there, they snap, they make a snappy noise. So if you put it on correctly, it makes a snappy noise, and there you go. There you have it. It's your first mat. It looks nice. It comes out this way. So mainly this is where your dirt and everything will collect, and this is a good design right here that it has this coming out. That way it doesn't get stuck within that ridge. This one just goes like this, just like that, and then you can see how it fits right here. It goes all the way up here, and it's shielding everything, so that's good. Best way to do this one is tuck it in from the front first, and then you can go ahead and lay it down. So it's just gonna go like that. You push it forward, make sure it sits properly, and it should sit flush. Now that it's flush down, there you go. Now you have that nice looking cover for your carpet. Looks good. And it looks clean. Everything will spill on the mat, and it's easy to clean up, and it just makes for a better appearance, as well as it defends your carpet as well. That concludes the video on these mats for your 2015 through 2024 Ford F-150. Thank you.